Okay, today we talk about the calculus. Calculus. So this word looks so abstract, but in fact it's not so abstract. They include the two parts, or derivative, derivative and integral. These two parts. So we first write one form, then one calculus, like okay, this part. So this kind of form, the solution is x to 3 divide 3. Okay, this this is the solution. So now I explain why we get this. What is this? What is the integral? Okay, this part. This part. This is the word sum. It's sum. Is sum, take the letter, take s. Then we change the s to other form, but finally its meaning is sum. So where's the sum? This part. Anyway, it's dx. Y x squared. For example, x equal y equal x squared. So this part we can write dx equal, you can write y dx, y equal x squared. So what's this? So dx times y is here. Um, the graph is here. Y equal x squared is about this. Okay, this is graph here. This is x, and here is y. This graph x squared. So where's dx? So graph here. So when we take a value x, so we get one value. Y is here. Um, this y. So little part very small. I pick big one. Oh, okay. Graph still here, but I take a little big size. For example, this part, this called dx. We take very short side dx. Dx time this fraction here, y equal x squared. We input x some y value, we get y. So dx times y, we take a middle part. Dx times y, so we get square. So, for example, we from here, below this graph, and this side, and the x-axis, this area, this is here. This part is the sum. X squared times dx is a small area. Then we add them together. All equal to here. All the area is like here. Okay. Now you understand. Calculus. This is the integral. Okay. This part is the integral totally. So what we do for integral? So integral is one part of calculus. Calculus includes two parts. One part is the integral, another part is the derivative. Okay, now we talked about the integral. Integral is just take now we get one value. Now it's area. You know, area very easy. Every people know area. What is area? For for example, here is the rectangle. We take area. For example, here is 3. Here is 2. Area is 3 times 2. So, but this is a rectangle. It's very easy to calculate. But here is a curve. Is a curve. You know, we don't have formula to calculate this. But now from a calculus, from integral, we know that how to calculate this. So, and this is x squared. But this x squared, this line, the function is here below this line and between x-axis. So this area, we want to get this. But this, we find formula here. Formula is here. X3 divided 3 plus c. So this is the area. So we get that. So integral is super easy. So how about why we get this? Why we get x squared equal x3 to over 3. So we take another. So now you know integral is you get area. This is a sum. So why I just tell you how to get this. So because here x3 to 3 divided 3, we take a derivative. Derivative. What mean derivative? Derivative is that just 3x2 divided 2 divided 3. So this old 3. So is equal x squared. So this is the formula. So but you should get a resource. You don't scare about the calculus. You don't scare about the integral. You just know integral, just get area. You know this many symbol. What that meaning? So even here, what derivative? Derivative is here. Just for example, some line by the x3, it hard to write. Just for example, we write okay, x3, I see. Okay, x3, how to write this? X0, when x equal 0 is 0. When x equal 1, y equal here. Okay, here. So 1, y over 3. So why I do that? I just write graph. So when x equal 1, the 0, x equal 0. So when here, x equal 0, the solution should be 0. When x equal 1, the solution should be 1 over 3. Then x equal 2 should be about x equal 2. So here, 8 divided 3, about 2. About 2. And here, same. I get a 1, negative 1, so negative 1 over 3. Oh, I think a graph almost like this. Okay. So it's another way, different, another graph. X3 divided over 3. So graph, what is the derivative? So we find one point. We take from this point, we take slope. Slope. Slope, that means slope is delta y divided delta x. So this is slope. So here we find. So here is slope, and here is another slope, and here is another slope. So this slope all together, we create all these points together, we make another. It's about this. So this graph by 1 and 2 x squared. So we know this graph is y equal x squared, and this graph is y equal x to 3 over 3. So why we get this? Because they take derivative. How to take derivative? That means from this graph, we take slope, every point slope. This every point we just take for the every point to other graph is y equal x squared. So you know what is the derivative? So I tell you calculate include two parts, derivative and integral. Integral, just is an area. Just derivative, just is the slope. Just remember this word. So you can understand first from a first stage. You can understand the calculus so easy. Then, but the calculus they have many formula, so you can prove that and calculate that. But don't scare about the calculus. Calculus you can learn that from high school, even from elementary school. Okay, no problem. Just beginning very easy, just step by step. If everything you understand, you know that it's very easy. So now I think you can stand.